Hey yo, I try to tell them. It's my year.
Hey. Yeah. Let's see how you do under pressure. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy.
Get the hell out of this lane, bro. Check your back. Get out of this lane, bro. It's getting wild up here. It's getting wild. It's perfect right now out here, man. It's not hot. It's not 90 plus 1,000 degrees. Yeah. So far, the roads aren't super bad right now, which is good. So bad, dude. Destruction. The roads are crap. As you can see, they're pulling up all the double-deckers. All of them. All the double-deckers are going up. It's getting a little dusty up here. Shit, what happened? I wonder what happened. Stay away from a car that look like that, that's for sure. My back has been killing me, man. Oh, my back has been hurting so bad. I had to take some meds. I had to take some meds, man. It's just like every once in a while, I even do something to like pull it to where it's like sharp pain to where I can't do much. Or sometimes it just, I don't know, I don't know, man. It's like it just gets all achy. I have a suspicion it's my computer chair. I keep buying cheap computer chairs, and I have a feeling. Let's listen to them pops. I do need to come over to the Ford. Check out a truck. I wonder what they're putting up right here. Future home of oh, they're putting a pickleball here. Oh, that's dope. Wow, watch me. Hey man, you gotta be extra careful around here, man. These fools will pull out from way over there, man, and not see you at all. She blowing right out the damn truck. That's why I'm like, yeah, it smells like straight hot weed out here. Like straight hot weed out here, bro. But yeah, man, I'm just hoping that most of you guys, man, just don't feel like you got to get a leader bike and you have to be reckless. You know what I mean? You can be reckless on this. You can be super fast on this, but you don't have to be stupid. You know what I mean? So, and it's okay to be stupid sometimes. Just try to be as safe as possible when you're being stupid. You know, it's your bike, man. Like, these things are meant to be driven hard. They're meant to be ridden really, really hard. That's what they're made for. But they're homologated for the street for a reason. For people who want to ride the bike the way they want to ride the bike. And I think that's the awesome part, is that these bikes are homologated, man. You ride it the way you want. You can ride it like MotoGP, or you don't have to, but you don't have to. And know your area. Try to know your area, because that's going to help you a lot as well. Just knowing your area. Knowing where you can go fast, where you shouldn't go fast. Like right now, I'm on a stretch where it's perfect to go fast, but there is a lot of police officers around here. There's a lot. police officers around here, so I know if I want to go really fast, I got to make it down to the other adjacent highway. Oh, shit, they probably think I'm trying to get over. Just got to pick it and be smart, man, that's all. Like, when you meet these guys right here, like in SRTs, they're always going to try to, like, race you more than like. Just don't do it unless you got open road, you know. Right now, it's no open road, dude. It's just, you don't need to, just don't feel the need that you gotta show off every time. Every time you get on the bike, you don't have to. Like, you just don't have to, you just don't have to, like, just be stupid, man. Come on, man. Y'all gotta be much smarter than the average. Okay, they gave me plenty of room. Awesome. Read the road, man. Read the road. It's more than likely you're not gonna get ticketed for speeding if you're following the flow of the rest of the traffic. You know, it's gonna be kind of hard for a cop to be like, oh look, it's gonna be like, oh look, a sport bike, but am I going anywhere? Oh, I'm behind all these cars. I'm not filtering the lane, just trying to get ahead, just to get ahead. Like, maybe it's exciting for the vlog, but at the same time, it's just like, is it necessary? You know. I don't speed right here because this is the Air Force Base and the police are always right here all the time. They're usually right there. The sheriffs. We don't have regular police. Well, we do have regular police, but the sheriffs are the ones that are over here a lot. So I think they're going to Twin Peaks. There is a meet tonight. I don't think I'm gonna go. They changed it, location, and I just kind of like, I just wanted to get out and ride, man. Like, I wanted to roll, listen to some Nas, and just chill, bro. Just chill. Oh shit, what the fuck are y'all doing? That's why I do like lane filtering, because stupid shit like that. Yeah, man. So now we're getting up to the spot where we can kind of speed, probably get ahead a little bit. And it's not necessary, but I'll probably avoid this lady with the busted out windows because she was in front of me earlier and got impatient. Normally I would just fucking get around, but normally I would. It's not necessary. I don't want to go to the left, but I don't know if I really want to go to the right. I don't know. We're gonna see. And the cops usually like to sit right there. Symphony. The symphony. Oh, look at this motherfucker. Baby. Forgot I ain't got no traction control on this bitch. That bitch was like, hey, yo. over here? Is that the popo or is that the road? Water. You barely need to touch the clutch on this thing. I have it set perfect. I'm always pulling it more in though, because I'm just, I don't know, so used to, not used to the new adjustment yet. Excuse me, why? It's so torquey. I gotta be careful over here though, because the roads are so shitty.